This is a test. This is a test. This is a test. The following is a test of a new emergency alert system.
Don't worry. When it goes to the black screen, then we can press the unrecord button. When it goes to the black screen. I pick